Yep.
There we go. Okay. So, Dave, do you want to tell me a little bit about your role, where you're at, and maybe actually just start there.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm one of the software architects here at Seek. I look after primarily at the moment a few of the hire teams. So Athena team, which are driving performance-based pricing through Seek, talent search, and our indirect hirers. Before that, I've worked with the talent search team as a developer there when I first joined Seek, and various other teams in the architecture role as well.
Great. And so your time at Seek, how have you navigated your career? Tell me a little bit about maybe some of your career jumps.
Sure, I guess I started as a senior developer at Seek. I was going for a higher role, but there wasn't one available at the time. But I liked the look of Seek and the people and all that sort of thing. I really wanted to get into the job. I didn't feel really limited by the role itself. What I wanted to do was make sure I'm in a role where I have the biggest impact as possible, and I can feel productive as well. So I guess I came in and just wanted to get some runs on the board, see where I could be productive, move into other areas from a narrow field, if you like.
And how did you start that process of looking at different areas? What did that look like for you? Did you have conversations with people? What did that process look like?
Yeah, I guess you start off, particularly in software development, you start off in perhaps a team that's working on a particular project or product. And from that, inevitably, that team needs to talk to another team or needs to talk to another area of the business for certain bits of functionality. Through that, you start to build relationships with other developers across the business, product managers and delivery managers, and you start to piece together how the business works and really how to get things done, and who are the key people. And I guess that's, without that intention, that's kind of what I was doing when I was beginning, is identifying, okay, how does this company work? How does work get done efficiently and productively? Who are the great people that I can talk to and rely on and navigate my way around Seek?
Yeah. And when you were thinking about career moves, whether that was up or sideways, what are some of the things that you do? Did you have conversations with leaders? Did you start to share a bit about your intent or what you were looking for? What did that process look like?
Yeah, I spoke with my line manager really about broadening the scope of what I wanted to do. So not necessarily rung in the ladder or stepping up in terms of title, but I wanted to have a bigger impact than just the product that I was working on. And at the time, there was a little bit of structure around where that could go. So my line manager helped me out getting to that particular position. But I think a lot of it comes from you, in terms of you reaching out and having that wider influence or impact as part of the role that you're in, and then it can be recognised that maybe you should be in a different role or a sideways role or a higher role.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And thinking about you using the terminology, you wanted to have more of an impact. How did you go through a process to know what's really going to engage you? Did you look at what really energizes you or certain strengths you had? How did you navigate that?
Yeah, I guess I am a person that's really motivated by getting stuff done and seeing features get out to customers or differences from the customer point of view. So I think in every step that I've taken, I've tried to pick something that's going to have a big impact on customers, not just underlying technology or fun kind of, technical tasks. So I really wanted to make sure that I'm involved in activities that either help others here be more productive and efficient and get changes out to customers faster, or help our engineering culture to make it a better place for developers to come and be attracted to work. And I think, going through the roles that I've had, it's kind of progressed to architecture, where I guess I can have a wider impact across the business from a technology point of view and getting features to customers faster.
Great.
Yeah.
2 more questions. So it's quick and easy.
All right.
In terms of when we hear about career stories across Seek that have, for people who've had really engaging careers, they've been really proactive around managing their own careers. What's some of the most proactive things that you've done to help navigate your career?
That's a very good question. I think for me it's more about not advertising yourself in terms of you want this particular role or this particular level, but ensuring that in the actions that you do, people get to recognise that they can rely on you for certain things, and maybe rely on you for a broad range of ideas or skills or influence or help in decision making or help with my career or whatever it is. So it's that providing the best service possible to whoever you're working with right now, and that tends to get you places in terms of people start to rely on you for certain things, for ideas, and that can open doors in terms of where you want to go. So it's less about what you want to be in terms of a role title or where you want to go, but just having that impact and ensuring, people see that.
Great. My final question, if you could give any tips to others around having really engaging careers here at Seek, what would be some of your tips?
I'd just say don't be limited by your role title. I don't think Seek does limit you by your role title. If you've got great ideas, passion for it, the ability to help and influence others, then go for it, do it, speak to your line manager, speak to other people in the business about your idea and start on it.